tell these motherfuckers about my hood. Them scared motherfuckers better knock on wood. When they come to my motherfucking hood. Nigga what? In my hood, my niggas, they don't give a fuck. In my hood, them bitches don't give a fuck. In my hood, them niggas don't give a fuck. They don't give a fuck. Give a fuck. In my hood, them niggas don't give a fuck. In my hood, them bitches don't give a fuck. In my hood, them niggas don't give a fuck. They don't give a fuck. They don't give a fuck. I'm coming like this. I'm gunning this bitch. I'm laying it down, spraying it now with that old dirty 4 pound. You fuck with me now, you did the wrong move. I'm taking motherfuckers straight out of this. You still paying their dues. I'm bruising their head, I'm bruising their back. I got that fucking AK, nigga. I'm screaming, fuck a Mac, cause it's like that. In 2003, you bitch niggas scared to come around the NBC and fuck with ROC. I'm all murder. Now tell me, have you ever heard of a nigga running in your house like a fucking burglar and taking it all? I'm wanting it all from the motherfucking moment I stand tall. I'ma whip that fucking hammer out. Got the games, motherfucker, I ain't gon' hammer out. This freestyle shit, he's the motherfucking king. And tell a freaky slut, gobble up my ding-a-ling. You see me mobbing like jingling in the motherfucking life. Respect my come up, nigga. Oh, I'm fucking your wife. This shit get drive. And now whenever you make your move, motherfucker, you better, nigga, you better. It's like
Realest niggas, that's a nah. The realest niggas, that's a nah. Nigga, when I'm in the basement, I'm away from my reality. Young nigga, actually, this how the fuck it is supposed to be. Cameras flashing, lights is on me. I got the mic, and I'm ripping shit up. And I don't even have to fight, cause it's peaceful down here. I be feeling real high, and I'm comfortable when I can talk. Young nigga, and never lie. When I'm freestyling, coming straight off my fucking chest. I guess that's why I smoke so much, because I'm blessed with the talent to grace the mic. And I don't know what I like, what should I do with it, nigga? I just might rip the mic, and I burn this shit up. Say it's getting hot in here, I'ma snatch off your chain and cool you down. Here's a beer, young nigga, you need to stop tripping, thinking that you slipping. Young nigga, you think you rich, young nigga. I put the clip in and I let these niggas know. Get the fuck up on the floor, face down, S&R, young nigga, this is our show. We gon' lock it down, take it over. 02 is over now. 03 I graduated, nigga, I'ma lock it down. Red's gonna put this shit first. Rap game, I'ma sew it up. S&R, niggas remember our name, nigga. S&R, the realest click you ever know. S&R, the realest niggas each and every show. S&R, rip it up, youngins always flow. S&R, freestyle, she's a nigga.
them niggas don't give a fuck. In my hood, them bitches don't give a fuck. In my hood, them niggas, they don't give a fuck. They don't give a fuck, nigga, cause we don't give a fuck. This house going down from the 2002 to the 2003 ROC. This bitch with my nigga ass is on the motherfucking tracks. All them real niggas grip your motherfucking gas. It's like that. I'm leaving that joint like that.